Hello everyone, this is Gary, and welcome to our channel. This channel is Extripod official sales channels. This video will introduce what we are going to do and our advantages. In short, we want to start for small wholesale online business, and we sell everything in our website. Have 13% discounts than Amazon best sale price. Okay, let me introduce our company and why we start this project. Okay, Extripod, we are an international trade company with 10 years experience. The main products we deal with is including about the medical drivers, personal protective equipment, and disposable food packaging. In the past, we used the traditional method to do our business. The main one that is e-commerce platform like Alibaba or Made in China. Another one is offline exhibition. We had participated in many international exhibitions, such as medical products and A+A safety for our PPE products. We also use this tool method to develop and explain our business. In the last year, 2019, we started and learning to use YouTube. We upload our products video and make some international trade knowledge video to share in our YouTube channel. If everything is fine, we will keep working like that. So this channel will become to my complete display wall. But when we are entering to 2020, everyone knows COVID-19 outbreak. So, at present, all the countries or regions have initiated trade restrictions on personal, on goods, on port, and so on. This leads to our used business methods cannot work again. International trade has been hit and face significant challenge. What our plans have to stop. Many exhibitions have been unable to execute, and online platforms are restricted also. This pandemic forced us to change our work methods. During this time, we contracted the online exhibition and also tried to sell products on the Amazon channel. After many times attempts, we needed to make some change. So we are changing right now. The first step, we move the offline exhibition to our online, like as you can see our place right now. This is we move the rear booth to our office. This is my office, okay, and according to the standard boards, still in reality. Second, we carry out our business through live broadcasting to check our products, like you going to visit in offline exhibitions. So if you have any interest for any products behind me, you can directly point out or leave message to me. I will show you and explain to you and tell you the price, and you also can buy from our website, and also we can negotiation face to face. So this can help me to save a lot of times. And second, we have reduced our MOQ of our products. In use, our MOQ about 120 feet containers, which can fill in these rooms about 28 cubic meters. But we know not everyone can purchase so much amounts. So we changed our MOQ from the 20 feet container to 1 cartons. Years of international trade experience, we know all deliveries, and we know we are use express to save shipping to help our customer to get the goods and balance the delivery time and costs. We study Amazon. We found they have many unnecessary expense and a very high fee. So I think we can do better than Amazon. We can fix this price gap to help our client to get more low price and with high quality products. So our first goal, that is to sell everything products in our website and have under the 13% discounts than Amazon best sale selling price. No matter how much they say, how much Amazon they say, we sell the cheap at least 30% than Amazon. If we are using safe shipping and tracking and track to deliver, this discount ratio may be reached to the 15% and even more. We have a stable supply chain, we have professional scale, we know the products, and we have experience in the medical products, PPE products, food packaging products. We can provide the better quality and 13% discounts than Amazon products. So, if you want to purchase at a large cost, you can subscribe our channel, find products in our live stream videos or our another videos, and then you can go to our website to check our real price, okay? Or you can talk to me with face-to-face using the YouTube channel or Facebook channel. That's everything is okay. We also can still work for the mass productions if you have any inquiries. If you have trading company or you have organization, hospital, or everything, if we have such inquiries, you can send an inquiry to me by email or go to my live studio. We can talk to face-to-face, we can negotiation, okay? In the end, and please do not forget to click the like button and the subscribe button. If you think our channel can help you to save the cost to buy the more cheap could save many costs. So you can share our channel or you can share this video to your friends. Okay, thank you.